So this machine was just brought to me to fix. It is pretty beat up, and this is one of these machines that if they had brought it to a mower shop, it would not have been worth fixing just because of all the ancillary shop fees. This is a perfect project for me because I do these videos, and I don't have to charge somebody a $130 shop fee or whatever it is in order to fix their machine or even look at it. Right off the bat, the two front wheels, they look like they're in okay condition. Tread's a little bit more worn off of this one. I already checked it for compression. It has it. The cord here, I'll probably end up replacing this. Here we have a very common issue with these Toros. The cable broke, so they've got it wired up so that it pulls and activates the self-propelled system when you start the machine. So most likely they would be starting it in this position with the front wheels up. So we'll go ahead and get rid of this just because I'm going to need that disabled to do my checks on it. So it's a little bit better. Good thing is the brake cable seems to work fine. So that's really all we need at this point. Let's see if there's any gas in it. Bone dry. Bag is in really rough condition. They've already given me the go-ahead to go ahead and replace that. So a new aftermarket one is $30 off of Amazon. They already gave me the go-ahead to replace this cable, which is about $12 off of Amazon for an aftermarket. They seem to be okay. I've had decent luck with them. And to finish this all off, the blade is rusty, the deck underside is dirty and rusty, but I'm not seeing any significant damage outside of normal wear and tear on this blade, so that's a good thing. We're going to check the straightness of this crankshaft. New bag definitely makes it look a lot nicer, even though the paint's faded, but that's okay. Beats spending close to $500 on a brand new Toro.